What's up, everyone? Jay here. In this video, you're going to watch me do a live build. I'm using ChatGPT-5 to spin up a complete local business in under an hour. Sales page, ads, and emails. You're going to get the exact page code and the copy-paste prompts to clone this for your niche today. Plus, there's going to be a link to my 20 free AI marketing tools to help you scale smarter. If you're in a hurry, you want the link to the free AI marketing tools, you want to check them out for yourself, they are awesome. The link's going to be directly below in the video description box, but I highly suggest you pay attention to this video because you're going to learn a lot in this video. I'm going to show you how to create a sales page, how to create the marketing material for the sales page, how to put it on your WordPress site and get it going live. And not only that, you're going to get actually a PDF file that has the exact code for this sales page with a prompt that's going to personalize it for your business. So you can get what you're going to be seeing in this video, the sales page for your own business, and you can personalize it to yourself. So that's going to be the link directly below. That'll be the first or second link directly below in the video description box. And there's going to be a link, obviously, to my free AI marketing tool. So with that being said, let's dive into this video. What we're going to be building is a local fitness offer landing page. It's a 14-day free pass, clean, mobile first with a sticky call to action. A set of prompts to generate a 5-day email welcome promo sequence. And then you're going to get your social media copy for Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want to, X, wherever you want to put it, TikTok. 10 social captions. Then they got SEO meta and all that stuff as well. So quick intro. Like I said, we're building a clean fitness sales page. And I'm going to paste the exact HTML and show you the prompts to turn this into any local business, plumbers, salons, dentists, you name it. You can use my page as a template and then run the prompts to rewrite the copy, swap images, set your colors, and generate the ads and emails to drive traffic. So how cool is that? This is the actual, we're using ChatGPT-5. This is the newest version of ChatGPT. It just came out a few days ago as of the recording of this video. So what we're going to do, so you don't need to use like Deep Agent or Manus to create this now. Actually, ChatGPT-5 can do this. So if you have access to ChatGPT-5, you're golden. You can do this yourself. We're going to click copy. Now we're going to go over to my sales page. I'm going to show you how to build here. I've got it all set up. ChatGPT-5 built a complete local business in 1 hour. Sales page, ads, and emails. That's what the title of this video. This is set up, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If you're not familiar with how to add HTML to your WordPress site to create a page or a blog post, this is how you're going to do it. You're going to click that plus button here. This automatically shows up. Click that. And some of you watching this is going to be real basic, so it's only going to take a second here. Click the, you got a paragraph, custom HTML, heading, image, list, separator. We're going to click custom HTML. It says write HTML in here. We're pasting that code we just got from ChatGPT. We're going to click the preview button. And this is it. A lot of this is an image going to show up a little weird until you publish it. But I'm going to show you how it looks. And this is it right here. As you can see, it's still loading. But this is our sales page. Quick and easy. Not too complicated. You can obviously get more complicated than this, but this is pretty decent. So what we're going to do now is I already have the code. We have 2 boxes of this. I had to show you how to do this. We're going to delete the second part, so we only got one of them, and we're good to go. Now what we're going to do here, I'm going to save this as a draft. Obviously, if you're doing this, you're going to want to publish it. So if you're publishing this as a page, you're just going to click publish. If you're using a blog post, you're going to want to enter your keywords. You're going to want to change your permalink, which is your slug right here. Make it smaller, shorter, because you don't want this whole huge permalink. So you want it to be short, but get your main keywords in it. So what we're going to do here is I already shortened it to ChatGPT-5 built a complete local business. If you didn't do that, it's going to come up with this whole long title, and that's way too long for permalink. This is actually a little long, but it'll do for this demo video. We're going to click Save Draft. We're going to click View Preview. And this is the sales page we just built with ChatGPT in minutes. Get it fast with a free 14-day pass. More energy, more strength. A community that keeps moving. Try Pulse Fitness for 14 days at no cost. And then it's got a claim my free pass. Links to the site. Everything you need to win. Strength and cardio zones. Classes all day. Coaching that cares. Member challenges. Fuel bar. Locker rooms and showers. Calls to actions right here. You got to walk in ready. You got nice images. Feel better in 2 weeks with a call to action underneath. How it works in 3 steps. And you can read on the screen, so I don't got to read everything to you. Today at Pulse, and it's got all the what they're doing throughout the day at this particular gym. Book a class. It leads to the website. Members love Pulse. Then it gives you some customer reviews. Love it after your pass. Month to month shows the pricing. See deals. It's got a Google Maps. Obviously, this might be a real gym, but I don't know. This is just a made-up gym for this demo video. And it's got a made-up Google Maps here for it, which is cool. And this will show you're real if you're using the template. You can put if it's a real business, obviously it's going to be if you're using this the code I'm giving you to get started with this and just personalize it for yourself. This is going to be your Google Maps will show up with your place of business. So our promise, try everything. If you do not love it, walk away with no pressure. Your results come first. Call to action. There's a FAQ. Facts. Is it really free? Can beginners join? What should I bring? Can I bring a friend? And it answers all these questions. You click the arrows. There's little answer boxes underneath them. And then there's a ready to start. Take the pass. Try the classes. Feel the change. And you click this to start free. And then there's also a call to action box right here that stays on the sales page, which is really cool. As you can see it right here, scrolling up with me. So that's that. That was built in ChatGPT. With ChatGPT-5 in literally minutes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back over to ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you the rest of this, how to build out some of the marketing materials. So if this was a business, say you're an agency, or you're promoting this for a local gym in your area, then obviously you're going to need marketing materials to go along with it. This is a 5-day welcome email sequence. You are a senior email copywriter. Write a 5-day email sequence for a local business offering a 14-day free pass. Currently a fitness gym. Goal, book visits, and it's got all that good stuff built into it. We're going to copy this, and we're going to go over here. I got another box opened up here. We're going to open up a new chat. We're going to paste that in here. We're going to hit enter, and it's going to come up with your 5-day free email sequence. And these are pretty well-written emails. It's got your title, subject lines, your body. They're okay. They're decent. You could do a lot better. I'm going to show you a tool here in a second that's going to make this a lot better than what this can do. But these are pretty good to get you started. And these are 5-day email sequence done just like that. We're going to go back. These are the Facebook, Instagram, and for your social media angles. You are a performance ad copywriter. Create ad copy sets for a 14-day, and it talks about the gym, the brand, the hook, all the good stuff. You're going to click copy. Go back over. Paste that in here. Hit enter. You can see how fast this works. Now it's a lot faster. ChatGPT-5 is like instant. Feel better in 2 weeks. Here's your hooks. You got 5 different hooks. Primary text. As you can read them on the screen, you got different headlines, descriptions, angle packs, all that good stuff. As you can see. We're going to go back. Social captions. Write 10 social captions for Instagram, Facebook. The goal with your hooks, call to actions, hashtags, and all that good stuff. We're going to click copy, head back, and hang on here after this is done. I'm going to show you some of my tools to make these a lot better. And here are 10 short scroll-stopping captions for Instagram, Facebook that mix feed and reel styles. Feel better in just 2 weeks. Claim your 14-day free pass today. You can read on the screen here. And it's got a link to the site. No pressure, just progress. Yeah, pretty good. These are all quick wins that you can put out and start marketing your business ASAP. Now what I'm going to show you is my main tool. This is actually my AI Toolkit Vault. This is all you're going to get for free. I'm not going to read everything here, but ChatGPT prompt generator, Google VO3 prompt generator. You can look at your screen. These are all free to you. Affiliate program finder, hook generator. And these are all awesome tools that took me a long time to build, so take advantage of them. Link's going to be directly below to access them all. But this is going to be my main tool, and I'm going to show you how to build better emails than what I just showed you. So you got your sales page, you're ready to roll. You need some emails to promote your business. You can do it through ChatGPT, what I showed you. They came out decent, but this makes them fantastic. This is a storytelling email funnel tool that's going to create professional copywriter style. It's based on one of the world's best copywriters. The prompt is. It's a very good prompt, and it's going to create storytelling emails that are going to keep readers engaged, reading your emails, and then obviously clicking your links so you make more money from every email that you put out. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create an email for Pulse Fitness. That's our site that we created a landing page for. It's got 3 fields you got to fill out. What are you promoting? You're going to put in your product or offer link. If you don't have one, you could put in a fake one and just take it out. But all these 3 are mandatory. And the email goal. Tell us what you want the story-driven email to achieve. More sales, clicks, trust, or engagement. Our AI will tailor the storytelling tone and flow to match your goal. Real-time alert. Your email starts generating while you're still filling out the form. Don't worry, it updates live. So I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. So we're going to create, what are you promoting? Create an email for Pulse Fitness. Its features, benefits, and 14-day free trial. Period. Product or offer link. We're just going to put in pulsefitness.com. Now we're going to put the email goal to educate, inform, and drive clicks to the 14-day free trial. Now we're done. 3 boxes. And we click outside the 3rd box, it automatically works. You don't need to click this box. Just click anywhere outside on the left. Hit left on your mouse pad, and it's going to automatically, the AI is going to work. And here's your subject. Unlock your fitness potential, 14 days free. Hey there, let me take you on a journey. Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, confident, and ready to conquer the day. Picture yourself stepping into a world where fitness is not just a chore, but a thrilling adventure. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, buckle up because I'm about to introduce you to Pulse Fitness, your new partner in crime on this exhilarating journey. Now let me set the scene. Once upon a time in a world filled with complicated gym memberships, confusing workout plans, and uninspiring routines, there emerged a solution that would change everything. Enter Pulse Fitness, a revolutionary fitness platform designed to make your workouts as engaging as your favorite Netflix series. Here's what makes Pulse Fitness the hero of our story. Personalized workouts, no more cookie-cutter routines. Pulse Fitness tailors workouts specifically to your goals, whether you want to build muscle, lose weight, or just feel fantastic. Expert guidance, and you can see how, here's the best part. You can dive into this incredible experience with a 14-day free trial. That's right, no strings attached, just you, Pulse Fitness, and the chance to transform your life without spending a dime, and it's got a link. But wait, there's more. During your 14 days, you'll discover exclusive features that will keep you motivated and engaged. From live classes to on-demand workouts, the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? The clock is ticking, and your fitness journey is just a click away. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Join me and let's turn that dream of a fitter, healthier you into a reality. So how good is that for an email? All you got to do is copy this email, put it into your email autoresponder series, and you're off to the races. Obviously, the more info, the more in-depth you get in these boxes, the better your output's going to get. But it does create fantastic emails that writes better than me. probably writes better than you unless you're a world-class copywriter. You can always edit it to your liking, but these are really good emails that this tool produces right out of the box. But if you put the more you put in here in these boxes, the more specific you are, the better output you're going to get, obviously. So that's on instantsalesfunnels.com, I'm sorry. And that's my main tool, the storytelling email funnel generator. And like I said, I got a ton of other cool ones down here. If you want all 20, links directly below. I got the Gemini VO3 prompt generator right here, where you can create cinematic AI video scenes instantly. This is awesome. If you're using VO3, you're going to want to get your hands on this one. This is a really good tool. It tells you how to use it here. YouTube thumbnail AI prompt generator, which is right here. Tells you how to use it. And we got a ChatGPT prompt generator. You can check that out right here. All awesome tools. AI video script generator. My AI sales script generator. AI affiliate program finder. Awesome tool. These are all awesome tools. You're going to get over 20 of them if you sign up through my link directly below. These are just a few of my most popular ones, but you'll get access to all of them on the link directly below in the video description box. And you're also obviously going to get access to what I just showed you how to create this particular sales page using ChatGPT. You're going to get access to this right here, where you can customize it to your liking through that PDF as well. And you're going to get, and it's right here. This is the exact PDF you're going to get access to. It's not going to be this exact link. This one isn't going to work. I got it hosted on my site. But all you're going to do, copy this full sales page HTML. So easy to do. And all the way to the HTML right here. Make sure you get everything. Right before customized prompt sales page. Paste it like I showed you how to do in the beginning of this video. And you're good to go. Now this is going to be a customization prompt where you can take the full HTML sales page code above and customize it for my business. Replace all fitness related content with, you're going to put your business name, niche industry, main offer, your main offer description, target audience, special promotions, main call to action, URL. Keep the same layout and design. Rewrite the copy for any niche and swap images, links accordingly. So you can get this little prompt here that can customize it, obviously, to your business. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's how you built a local business sales page, like I just showed you, in literally minutes using ChatGPT-5. Real easy to do. And if you want this for yourself to customize it, like I said, all links are directly below. If you have any questions about anything else I didn't cover in this video, shoot me a comment below and I'll be happy to answer them as soon as I see your comment come in. As soon as I see it, I'll be glad to reply to your comment. And if there's any other questions you would like to add in the comment section, feel free to enter them below. With that being said, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button. If it helped you out a little bit, hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in my next video.